Hey gang, it's Chris from eCoustics, and we're here at CES 2025 and had a little bit of an unexpected surprise. When I hear the word lifestyle projector, I think it's going to be for someone who's into casual movie watching, doesn't really care as much about the picture quality, just wants something convenient with a big screen. Well, boy was I wrong, and we just experienced the VisionMaster from Valerion VisionMaster Max? VisionMaster Max. VisionMaster Max from Valerion. It is a lifestyle projector, which you can actually see the way it looks right here. Very small form factor with something you don't see normally in a projector of this kind. It's got lens shift, vertical lens shift, so if your placement is not perfect, you can adjust the placement without actually impacting you don't have to use keystones, so you don't have to reduce the resolution. But can you tell us a little bit about the VisionMaster Max?
Of course. Actually, VisionMaster Max is very close to a professional home theater projector. It got features like dynamic iris, vertical lens shift. It has a more professional lens system inside of it, and with all of that, we have this really good cinematic grade image that it's just perfect for a home theater projector. Yeah.
Right. Okay. And what's the rated brightness, the lumens output of the VisionMaster Max?
So it has 3,000 ISO lumens and at least 15,000 contrast ratios, and with dynamic iris and our patent enhanced black level, it's called EBL. Together we can put 40,000 contrast ratio at most.
Okay,
yeah.
40,000 contrast ratio for a lifestyle projector.
Yeah.
So it's a very compact form factor. You can bring it out when you want it, put it away when you don't. You can probably use a motorized screen to make the screen disappear when not in use. What are the most common implementations? Like, how are customers using the projector now? I know it's pre-production still, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So a lot of our people order Max. They wanted to ceiling mount in the home theater or in the living room, or just have a really massive space and with the massive screen with it. So it's a small unit, but it's really powerful. Yeah, that's one of them, and it can also be put in living room, in your game room, media room. You can also use it outdoor. We have a triple stand, so you can use it in your backyard if you want. I mean, you can also use it when you're camping. We have a very EPP carriage bag, so it's protection and protect the projector, so it won't be hurt when you're moving around. So. And
could it be powered by a battery pack or one of the larger battery packs? I guess?
Yeah.
So anything that's got AC 120 volt output can power it. Okay. And speaking of ceiling mount, yes, this can be mounted inverted on the ceiling as a standard home theater projector would. And it can produce a really large, bright image. And we're actually going to take a peek inside the theater to see what that looks like. So Wen, thank you very much for joining us and talking about the VisionMaster Max.
Introducing Valerion VisionMaster, the ultimate cinema-grade RGB laser projector. Its ProVision engine combines a professional-grade lens system, AI-powered chipset, and RGB laser technology.